Hello everybody, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what to do if Play Store is not working in Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. But before we start, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to fix Play Store problem in Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite.